Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money daily by investing on Binance. Now in case you don't know, this is a part 2 video. In my part 1 video I already explained some part of the investments you can do on Binance to make money every day. So this is the part 2 video. But before I go into all the details in this video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now let's go straight to the point. Now to go to the investment page on Binance, you come right here to where you have N right here and you click on it. But let's say for example you don't have this on your Binance home page. Come right here to where you have more. You will definitely have this on your home page. So just click on it. And once you are right here on this page, scroll down to where you have N right here. And see this, just click on where you have N again, where the arrow is pointing to right now. Just click on it. And once you click on it, it will take you to the Binance investment page, or you can call it the Binance N page. Now, this is where you can have the different investments you can do on Binance. You have the low risk investment, you have the high yield investment, and you have auto invest. Now, in my part 1 video, I talked about the low risk investment where you have the flexible investment and then you have the locked investment. But for this video, we'll be talking about the high yield investment and maybe the auto invest. I hope you understand. So if it's something you're interested in, make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. Now also, in case you've not watched that part 1 video, the link will be in the description below so you can watch it after this video. Now straight to this high yield investment. Now under this high yield investment, you see where you have dual investment. So dual investment is the only kind of investment you have under the high yield investment. Now what is this dual investment all about? Now if you come right here, you see that under dual investment, you have BTC where you can get from 3.5% to 126% profit. And then you have BNB where you can get from 3% to 84% profit. And then you have Solana where you can get between 3.74% to 147%. So you can see that this investment or this dual investment is for you to get high returns on your money. But make sure you watch every part of this video so you don't miss any information, please. Now between these three, I'm going to be picking BTC for this video, but it is the same step for anyone. So whether you're investing in BNB or Solana or BTC, the process in this video is the same for each of them. I hope you understand. So I'll click on BTC right here where you can earn between 3.65% to 124%. So I'll click on it right there. Now once you click on it, it will bring you to this page where you will see sell high and you will see buy low. Sell high and buy low. Now these are two different ways you can invest your money under dual investment, and I will explain the two. But first, we are going to start with the sell high investment. Now you can see right here under this sell high, you have three different ways you can invest. You have sell BTC for USDT where you can trade BTC and USDT together and you will get 3.65% to 120% profit. The second one, you have sell BTC for FDUSD where you can trade BTC and FDUSD together and then you get 3.65% to 127% profit. And then you have sell BTC for USDC where you can trade BTC and USDC together and then you get 3.66% to 121% profit. And I'm very sure that a lot of people have USDT in their wallet, so a lot of people deal with BTC and USDT, so that means that I'll be going with the first one right here. So I'll click on it. Now once you pick the one you want to invest in, the next thing is on this page, it will ask you to enter your subscription amount. Now, what is this subscription amount? Subscription amount is the amount you're investing. That's like maybe your capital. That's just what subscription amount is all about. How much you're investing in this. Now, before you put your investment in this, there's something called recommended target price and settlement date. That is, you have a target price and then you have a settlement date. Please make sure you listen to this part of this video. Now, you can see where you have sell BTC at 58,250. That is the recommended target price. So they are recommending a target price for you. That is a price at which you take your profit. And then they are recommending a settlement date for you. So a settlement date for you is this date right here where you can see 2024-9-10. That's September 10 of 2024. Now, what is the meaning of this place right here, this part right here that you can see on the screen? What does it mean to sell BTC at 58,250 and get APR of 4.98% on 2024 September 10? Now, in simple terms, this means that if by September 10, 2024, you are able to sell your BTC at 58,250, you'll be getting profit on your money because you are selling at the higher price. In case you don't know, as at the time of recording this video, the price of BTC is $54,000. So if you buy today now at $54,000 and then you sell at 58,250 on September 10, you're going to be able to make profit on your money because you are selling at a higher price. And also, you are going to be getting 4.98% profit on your money. Now, that 4.98% is APR. Please take note of that. It is APR. So APR means that if you are investing for 1 year, that's how much you will get. Now, I'm very sure some of you will be saying this 4.98% is too small. So if you want a higher one, come right here to where you have this pencil icon, click on it. Now, once you click on it, you'll be seeing different APRs right here. So you can see you have higher ones right here. Let's pick this first one because this is the highest. Now, for this first one, you see that you have target price of 54,500. You have a settlement date of 2024 September 10, and you have APR of 117% profit, which is very high. What this means is that if by September 10, the price of BTC is above 54,500, we are going to be getting profit on our money because, like I said, it is at 54,000 today. So if by September 10, which is in 3 days time, if it is on 54,500 and we sell it, we'll get profit on our money because we are selling at a higher price, and we also get 117% profit APR on our money. So you are earning money in 2 ways, or you are making money on your investment in 2 ways. So because I want to do this, I'll just pick this first one right here. So make sure you pick the one that has high APR if you want to, get more money from your investment. So once you pick it, click on confirm, and you can see right here it has changed to sell BTC at 54,500 and APR of 117% on 2024 September 10. So again, if the price of BTC goes up to 54,500 on September 10, we are going to be getting this amount of APR on our money. So the next thing is to just enter your subscription amount. So you'll be investing with BTC. If it's that it is buy low, we'll be investing with USDT. When we get there, I will explain that. So for this, we are investing with BTC, and the minimum you can invest with, you can see it right here, is 0.00001 BTC to 147 BTC. This is the minimum and the maximum amount you can invest. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and invest 0.01 BTC. So once you've done that, click on next step at the bottom side of the screen. Now, right here on the screen, it will explain in details the 2 ways you can make money from this investment. Now, you have case 1 where you earn USDT, and you have case 2 where you earn BTC. So these are 2 ways you can make money from your investment. So listen to this. Let me explain this. Now, what does this case 1 mean where you earn USDT? You can see on the screen where it says if the price at settlement date is at or above $54,500, I sell BTC at $54,500 and get 550.559 USDT with interest. What this means is just what I've explained earlier, that if the price of BTC goes above 54,500 on the settlement date, don't forget the settlement date is September 10. That means that we are going to sell our BTC at 54,500, which will make money, and we also get the 177% profit APR on our money. So that will make it a total of $550 that I'm going to be getting, including my interest, on September 10. So they will just explain it right there for you so that I can know how much you will get in advance. Now, the second scenario, the second case right here where I will earn BTC is for when maybe the price of BTC doesn't get to 54,500 on the settlement date. So you can see it right here. It says if the price at the settlement date is below 54,500, I get 0.010099 BTC. So this is for those of you that might want to ask that, okay, what if it doesn't get to that 54,500 on the settlement date? It doesn't mean that I will lose my BTC. No, you are not losing your BTC. They will even give you your BTC back with interest on it. Just so that you can see more details of your money, let me go back to case 1 right here. Once you come back to case 1, check where you have view earning details. So I click on it right here. So it will show you the amount you are investing, the subscription amount, which is 0.01 BTC. and you show your interest. So the interest I'm investing with is 0.000098 BTC. So you see right there that it will give me $550. So that's the amount I'm getting. And also for the case 2, if you go on that case 2 right here, click on view earning details. You see right here the subscription amount is 0.01 BTC, and you see the interest, and you also see the settlement amount. So you are getting 0.010098 BTC, almost the same amount. So for case 1, if it gets to 54,500 on September 10, you get your profit in USDT with interest. And case 2 is that if it doesn't get to that price on September 10, 2024, you get back your BTC with interest. I hope you understand. So that's just it. So in case you don't understand, you can just scroll back a little and watch the video again. That's just it. So once you've seen this, just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on I have read and agreed to both possible scenarios, and click on next step. So once you click on next step, make sure you click all these boxes right here and click on subscribe at the bottom side of the screen, and then click on confirm. And just like that, I've successfully subscribed to this investment right here. I'll show you how to monitor your investment, but before that, let's go back and check the buy low investment. So we've just talked about the sell high right here. So let's talk about buy low. So for buy low again, you have buy BTC with USDT, with FDUSD, and with USDC. So again, I'll be going with the buy BTC with USDT. And for this one, you can earn between 3.6% to 113%. So let's click on it. So for this one, again, enter your subscription amount. But before that, make sure you come right here, click this pencil icon, and pick a settlement or a target price that gives you higher APR. So for this, I'll pick the one that will give me 112% APR, which is higher. So you pick it right there and click on confirm at the bottom side of the screen. So you can see at the screen it says buy BTC at $54,000 and APR of 112% on 2024 September 10. So once you've seen that, enter your subscription amount, that is how much you want to invest. For this, let's say I want to invest $360. I'll put it right there. So you can see the minimum you can invest is $0.1 to $7.9 million. So once you've seen that, click on next step. Now again, for these two, there are two ways you can make money, just like the sell high. So you have for case 1 where you can earn in USDT, and you have for case 2 where you can earn in BTC. Now for the first case where you can earn your money in USDT, you can see if the price at settlement date is above $54,000, I get 363 USDT with interest. This means that I'll be getting $360 which I invested with $3 profit. That's in 3 days. So $3 in 3 days is small, but it's still something. So that is for if the price at settlement date is above $54,000. But let's say, for example, the price at settlement date is below $54,000. That's where you have case 2, where you earn in BTC. So you can see if the price at the settlement date is at or below $54,000, I buy BTC at 54,000 and get 0.006728 BTC. So this is the amount of BTC I will be getting, including my interest. And for case 1, if you come right here to where you have view earning details, you see right here that I'm investing $360 and I'm getting 3 USDT, which makes it 363 USDT that I'll be getting when this investment is over. And if you come to case 2 right here and click on view earning details, you see right here that I'll be investing $360 and I'll be getting 363 USDT, but they will be giving my money in BTC. Now, just in case you don't know, maybe you are seeing that, oh, $3 for some days, that's too small. Just know that these investments are only for 2 days or 3 days, maximum of 3 days. Today is September 7, which means that on September 10, I'm going to be getting $3 profit. Some days ago, I invested about $400 and I got $8. I'll still show you that in my wallet right now. I got $8 in just 2 days. So the investment is just for 2 or 3 days. So it's not an investment that they will lock up your money for 1 week or 1 month or 1 year. No, it's just for 2 or 3 days. So once you've seen all of the details right here, just click on I have read and agreed to both possible scenarios and click on next step and tick all these boxes again, and at the bottom click on subscribe and click on confirm, and then you can see successfully subscribed right here. Now, how do you monitor your investment? You do that through your wallet page. So let's click on wallet right here. You click on go to wallet, and then this is your wallet page. So from your home page or at the bottom of the screen, you will see where you have wallet right there. Make sure it is on N right here. Make sure you are in your N wallet right here. So let me open this. So in my end wallet, I'm currently investing about $1,000. Now, just to show you, and in one of the investment that I got my profit yesterday for this dual investment, you can see it right here where it says plus 8 USDT. This is the amount of profit I got just yesterday from one of the dual investments I did. So I did one before making this video, and that was the profit. So I wanted to get my profit to see if it is okay before I make the video. So you can see that you can earn as high as $8 right here. You can earn as high as $10 depending on how much you have. You can earn this right here. And then if you come to where you have by product, under it you see dual investment. So just click on it and to show you the two investments you are currently doing. So you can see the first one right here where I invested in BTC is for the sell high BTC, and then the second one in USDT is for the buy low investment right there. So these are the two investments you have. And then on the settlement date, don't forget the settlement date according to what we did in this video is September 10th. So that's in 3 days from when I'm recording this video. So in 3 days I'll go back to my spot wallet and my profit will be there. So just in case you don't know, on your settlement date your profit will be transferred to your spot wallet. Your profit plus your capital, it will be transferred to your spot wallet. So this is how you can make money with the dual investment on the Binance page. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to watch the part 1 video where I talked about the lock savings and the flexible savings, click the link in the description of this video. Now to talk about the auto invest right here. Now for this auto invest, I already have a full guide on it that will teach you how to use the auto invest to make money with your investment. The link to that video will be in the description below. Again, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with someone, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.